The blizzard of 1996. When a city is buried in snow, what happens to the crimes no one can see? Philadelphia was hit with over 30 inches of snow in January 1996. The entire city was shut down. But some believe that in the middle of the chaos, something darker was happening. A decade later, a serial killer known as the Kensington Strangler was caught. But some theorists believe he may have started during that specific blizzard, when police were too distracted to notice. Could this storm have hidden a serial killer's early crimes? Should I do a deep dive into this case and provide further details if this theory pans out? Let me know.